Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to solve one more problem in equilibrium of rigid body. The three cylinders ABC weight 100 Newton, 300 Newton and 200 Newton. Radius 100 Newton, 200 Newton and 150 Newton. Placed in a rectangular ditch as shown in figure. Neglecting friction, determine the reaction at various contact points. The contact points given I, H, G, F, E, D. Our aim to find the reactions at all the contact points I, H, G, F, E, D. Okay. As usual, draw the free body diagram of each cylinder and form the equations, and then solve the equation and find the reaction at various contact points. So first we have to draw the free body diagram of cylinder C. Free body diagram of cylinder C. Okay, the cylinder C weight 200 Newton. Cylinder C weight 200 Newton. And reaction at H with horizontal. What is the inclination? Theta. How to find the inclination? And RI, reaction at point I. So before going to the line diagram, you have to find the theta. How to find the theta? The CG of C and B and the contact point, same line of action. So, previously the cylinder, radius of the cylinder C, what is the radius of cylinder C? 150 millimeter. Radius 150 millimeter. So, this distance 150, and then radius of cylinder B 200. So, 150 plus 200 equal to 350. So, 350. This distance 350. So 350. And the hypotenuse is 350. And the hypotenuse and the two radius. 150 plus 200, 350. Sorry, this one 350. So 480 minus 350. 480 minus 350. This one 350. So 480 minus 350 equal to 130. So theta equal to cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to 130 divided by 350. 130 divided by 350. First, the minus 480 minus radius of C and radius of B. So 480 minus 350. Radius of A plus B plus C equal to 150 plus 200, 350. Now, add the two radius, hypotenuse 350. So cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to 130 divided by 350. From that, theta equal to 68.2 degree. Theta equal to 68.2 degree. So substitute the value theta 68.2 degree. Theta equal to 68.2 degree. Draw the line diagram. Cylinder C. So weight 200 Newton and Ri, reaction at point I, and inclination with the horizontal theta equal to RH inclination with the horizontal theta equal to 68.2 degree. 68.2 degree. 68.2 degree. Now, three forces acting at the cylinder C be in equilibrium condition. Cylinder C in equilibrium condition. The resultant of all the three forces equal to 0. So, apply Lamè's theorem. Apply Lamè's theorem. RH divided by sin 90 equal to Ri divided by 90 plus 68.2. So 158.2 sin 158.2 and then 200 divided by sin 111.8. 180 minus 68.2 equal to 111.8 degree. So now from that find the value Ri and RH. Ri equal to 200 divided by sin 111.8 into sin 158.2. So from that Ri equal to 80 Newton. 80 Newton. And then RH equal to Ri equal to 80 Newton and RH equal to 200 divided by sin 111.8 into sin 90. So from that RH equal to 215.4 Newton. 215.4 Newton. RH equal to 215.4 Newton. Now we will move to the cylinder B. So from the cylinder C, Ri equal to 80 Newton, RH equal to 215.4 Newton. Now cylinder B. Draw the free body diagram of cylinder B. Cylinder B. For to draw the free body diagram of cylinder B, isolate the body from the surrounding and represents all the forces acting on it. RG with horizontal, and RH inclination with horizontal, RH inclination with horizontal, RH inclination with horizontal, same angle, RH inclination with horizontal, same angle, 68.2 degree, 68.2 degree. And weight of the cylinder B weight 300 Newton. So 300 Newton. 300 Newton. Any other force RF with horizontal. How to find the RF with horizontal? How to find the RF with horizontal? Anyone? RF with horizontal. Next we have to find RF with horizontal. See the joining points. The CG of cylinder B and cylinder A and the intersecting point, common line of action. So now this adjacent equal to this hypotenuse equal to, first hypotenuse equal to, add the two radius B and A. B and A, 100 plus 200, 300. This one 300, and adjacent equal to 480 minus these two radius. This one 100 plus 200, 300. So 480 minus 300 equal to 180. Cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to 180 divided by 350. And theta equal to, from that theta equal to 53.1 degree. Theta equal to 53.1 degree. Theta equal to 53.1 degree. 53.1 degree. So theta RF with horizontal inclination, RF with horizontal 53.1 degree. 53.1 degree. Now move to the line diagram. Mean point B, inclination 300 Newton, RF with horizontal, RF with horizontal, RF with horizontal, RF with horizontal, RF with horizontal 53.1 degree, and RH with horizontal, RH with horizontal, RG, RH with horizontal 68.2 degree, RH equal to 68.2 degree, RH equal. Now substitute, now at equilibrium state, apply the equilibrium conditions at equilibrium state, at the equilibrium state. Sigma H equal to 0. Sigma H equal to 0. RG negative minus RG plus RF cos 53.1 plus RF cos 53.1 plus RH cos 68.2. Okay, so equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. And the next sigma V equal to 0. Sigma V equal to 0. So RF sin 53.1 and RH sin 68.2 degree RH sin 68.2 degree and minus 300. So now substitute RH in equation 2. RH in equation 2. RH equation 2. Substitute RH into substitute RH into RH into equation 2. Find the value RF. This RF equal to 625.2 Newton. 625.2 Newton. And the next cylinder A. Cylinder A. Draw the free body diagram of cylinder A. Draw the free body diagram of cylinder A. Cylinder A. Isolate the body. Reaction at point E. Reaction at point D or D. Reaction at point F or F. Reaction at point F. Reaction F with inclination with horizontal 53.1 degree. So with inclination 53.1 degree. So in the cylinder A only 3 forces acting. So weight of the cylinder 100 Newton acting. So 4 forces acting. So first draw the line diagram. Next draw the line diagram. What to draw the line diagram of cylinder A. Line diagram of cylinder A. At point A, weight 100 Newton and reaction at point E or E vertical or D horizontal or F inclination 53.1 degree or F inclination 53.1 degree. So apply equilibrium condition sigma H equal to 0. Equilibrium state sigma H equal to 0 implies RD positive minus RF cos 53.1 equal to 0. Now substitute RF in equation 3. Find the value RD. RF, substitute RF in equation 3. Find the value RD. And then sigma V equal to 0. This RD equal to 375.4 Newton. 375.4 Newton. RD equal to 375.4 Newton. And the next sigma V equal to 0. RE positive minus 100 minus RF sin 53.1 equal to 0. So from that substitute RF value in equation 4. Substitute RF in equation 4. RF in 4. Equation 4. RF in equation 4. Find the value RE. RE equal to 600 Newton. 600 Newton. So the result, the first one, Ri equal to 80 Newton, RH equal to 215.4 Newton, and Rf equal to 625.2 Newton. And RG, how to find RG? Substitute RF and RH value in equation 1. Substitute RF and RH in 1, find the value RG. RG equal to 455.4 Newton. 455.4 Newton. RG equal to, the answer RG equal to 455.4 Newton and RD equal to 375.4 Newton and RE equal to 600 Newton. Write the result separately. Write the result separately. Very, very important. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.